And what do we have?
Something special.
What is it?
It's a battery pack from PD Nation.
Does it work on all their tools is the question. And the answer is yes. Actually, it works pretty darn good. And here we go. Bump fire. Well, you guys get the picture. Definitely works on that. What about the reset? Nice. Based on the power. I think they're pretty cool, and they're definitely going to be around on the channel. Because you got Makita, you got Milwaukee, you got the plates for the top. And the link is in the description below.